your voice and have
fun listening
to your modified voice.
record your voice, apply effects, and share them with your friends. My name is Maddie, and in this video, I'm going to show you top 5 voice changer applications and how to use them. Let's start. Like all the videos, I put the download link for you in the description. The first application is Celebrity Voice Changer Parody. Celebrity Voice Changer lets you change your voice to any celebrity voice instantly just by taking into a mic. For the first time, you can say anything you want in English and have it spoken back to you by a huge group of them. To use the application, make sure you have an internet connection. Then tap and speak into a microphone. It will automatically detect silence. It should only take a few seconds at most to generate a video of your changed voice back to you. Great, you can then share the video. Let's listen to some of these effects.
This is test 1, 2, 3.
This is test 1, 2, 3.
This is test 1, 2, 3.
The second voice changer app is Voice Editor. A smart and funny voice changer app effects for voice editor, superhero voice changer, and messenger voice changer. There are plenty of awesome characters can be used to change your voice into male or female, child, superhero, alien, and so on. Let's listen to some of these effects.
This is test 1, 2, 3. This is test 1, 2, 3. This is test 1, 2, 3.
This is test 1, 2, 3. This is test 1, 2, 3.
This is test 1, 2, 3.
This is test 1, 2, 3.
Let's go quickly to the next voice changer, audio effects. Program is easy to use and can produce great sound effects and great fun. It has over than 25 sound effects. Let's listen to some of these effects.
This is test 1, 2, 3.
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 The fourth application is voice changer with effects. Includes more than 40 effects, and if you have an Android operating system, you only need Android 4.4 and later. So if your phone is old, you can use this application without any problems. Let's listen to some of these effects.
This is test 1, 2, 3.
This is test 1, 2, 3. This is test 1, 2, 3.
This is test 1, 2, 3.
And the last application is Voice Changer Plus. With this application, you can change your voice with 55 voice effects and background sounds. Let's listen to some of these effects.
Eerst, rust, nou, sessies.
This is test 1, 2, 3.
This is test 1, 2, 3. This is test 1, 2, 3. This is test 1, 2, 3. This is test 1, 2, 3.
There are few important things to consider when choosing the best voice changer app. First, the UI should be intuitive and easy to use. The voice changer effect should also be high quality and give a range of different voices with editing tools to adjust them further. And to save your time, the effect should be instantaneous and the app itself should not have distracting ads. In this video, we introduced the best voice changer application for you, and the best part is all of them are free to use. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope this video was helpful for you. If you have any questions, please let me know. Subscribe in our channel so I can find out lots of video features and useful tools. See you soon in the next video.